This is it. Everything comes down to this.
Hello, it's Loop Darksnout here. Welcome back to my channel. This is my very first video involving the Commander X16, and before I get to the projects that I really want to do on it, I thought it best that I at least update this pesky SMC before I screw it up later and have to, get a external programmer and do all this nonsense that I didn't really sign up for. As it is, if you are aware, most of the machines that shipped in 2024 have a bug in the SMC chip. They sent the wrong software on it, so when you try to update it and you power off the system, it hangs. And it hangs in a terrible way. It actually turns your machine into a brick. It will not boot again. And, well, people were panicking. But folks that know a lot more than I do figured it out. And there is a way around this to make it complete the update. It involves a wire, a little piece of wire. You have to ground one of the pins here at the very last step. And that helps it finish the process and everything works smoothly after that. But for somebody who, doesn't know his way around anything electronic, from the metal level, I can code the thing. I just don't want to, open the hood and start poking around. But anyway, I felt let's do this. Let's get this out of the way so I can actually get down to business. And I'm surprised, despite all the reading I've done on this, and I do put a few links in the description, so feel free to look at that. But also know that I do not recommend doing what I did, because I'm not at that level to suggest that this is the wisest course of action, even though all the text said, yeah, go for it. I took the risk, and I wanted to at least share with people what I did. How easy is it to ground that one pin to complete this update? Well, we're going to find out. Do I end up bricking my Commander X16? Let's find out.
Okay, well, here's the temporary case that I put my Commander X16 in. And, I'm going to try to update the SMC here. Now, I've been reading about it for a while. I've been scared, but if I'm going to make any programs at all on this thing, I got to update this before I fuck it up and sort of put myself back a month or two waiting for an external programmer. Anyway, so there is the ground that I plan to use, and this one pin here, hopefully I'm highlighting it for you, is the one that needs to be grounded to cause the machine to reboot itself or power off, I guess, the official way. And what I'm going to do, look at this monkey little cord. This is a fan splitter, but so one half of this I'm not going to use at all. The other side I've bent this back. Basically what I plan to do, see the yellow bit, well, it's not focusing on it. Ooh, focus. So that one pin is going to go in like this over top of the ground, see? And then I can use where that leads. Oh, come on. There, the yellow wire, it'll be turned around this way when I go to touch it to that exact pin on the SMC. But I got to do this, obviously, oh boy, with two hands and not with the phone. But I tried touching it with the power off, and it isn't that hard to do. I just got to be careful. So now my next test here, before I actually try the updater, I'm going to turn this machine on and see if I can get it to power off using my little wire here, and hopefully it powers back on afterwards, and then I can probably get going on the SMC update. Well, we're powered on. The cord is just hanging there nice and perilously. Da-da-da. And just so you know, let's see, there's the version we're dealing with. So this is the recommended, what do we got? Oh, where does it say? Oh yeah, release R48, the right VERA, whatever. The SMC is the bad one. And there's two, I forget what the numbers are, but it's I2C peak something, comma something. And I got a value back of 2, which indicates the bad bootloader, of course, especially given my serial number here. Everything's pointing to danger, danger. So now this is my test. Am I going to fry my machine? Because I have to touch this one pin Ooh, and it's about to come out of the hole. Let's wait. Let's get it in there. Oh, this is scary. I'm going to touch this one piece of wire to this one pin on the SMC. So while I do that, I don't know if I should show. I'm just going to hold the phone like this so you can kind of see both, perhaps. Oh boy, nope. That's close enough. You'll see it go dark. All right, here we go. Oh, wish me luck. Oh, that was scary. It made a little pop noise, but that was the speaker. Okay. I tried it a few times, actually. It didn't, a simple touch, a little tap wasn't enough. It had to be like more of a, but anyway, so okay. Well, I don't really need this wire anymore, so I'm going to pull it away. Now, power on. We're going to get our Commander back. Come on. Ooh, it's back. Okay, so nothing should be out of the ordinary here. It's all the same. Scary stuff, scary stuff. I don't know what to do next. I mean, obviously I do know what to do next. I got to go back on the PC and reread and double check and make sure I got everything. Put the right files onto this SD card here and get cooking on that. Oh, yikes. Maybe I'll try one more test. Power off. Yeah. Okay, there it is. It's in place again. This bit isn't touching anything. This is off, but we'll fix that in a moment. You are now back on. Come on. There we go. Okay, so this is the yellow bit of the wire. Here's our SMC, our little champ. Now I'm going to try to touch only that one bit. See, it's touching things. There, I just tapped it and it went. I heard a click and it went out. So I'm going to hang this here. Turn it on one more time. Come on. Good. One more try. One more try. Yeah, make sure we got the yellow. Yep. Okay. Wow, it's not taking it this time, see? Maybe because it's out of the hole? No, I don't think so. Okay, one more try. Shit. I'm not sure what's going wrong, but it ain't turning off. Now is that plug? It's my ground, no longer ground. Okay. Let's try. One last try. There. You heard the click? But boy, that is a toughie. I'm going to try one more time, just asking for it. I got to get good at this because when it comes down to it, it needs to turn off when I ask it to. Okay, here we go. Make sure that's yellow. Yes. Oh boy, am I scared. Why don't they just sell replacement chips? It's like I'm touching it. What does it want? Oh, there. A little tap and it went out. See? One more time. I gotta get good. I have to be good at this. But it's like it doesn't want it in certain places. I thought it could come in on the side. I gotta do it from the top. Nope. There? Yep. I think what I was doing was hitting this black ceramic bit because now it's off again. See? Well, I guess you guys will be able to tell because that light goes out, right? Okay, one more time. So I can start on the black bit and just drop down. There. Okay. Haha. We're just getting into the swing of things. Yep. Okay. I think I am ready. Oh man. Okay. See you guys in a bit. Okay, I've copied the SMC program and the latest whatever it's called update, and let's go take a peek at it. I still got my wire hanging here. Oh yeah, I unplugged this thing again. Let's fix that. Okay, here we go. What? Hello. There we go. Okay, so I also cleaned up my memory card here, so there shouldn't be too much showing on it, just these files. So apparently it's, SMC update 2, blah, 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 and then the other file is the one that it needs. Oh, boy, I tell you, I do feel sick. Will this work? I sure hope so. I believe everything's ready to go. So here, give me a moment and I'll be right back. Okay, me again. This is just wishful thinking, but one of the things that bugs me about the Commander X16, look at this. Like on the Commodore 64, what is it? Poke 650, 128 turns on repeat keys, and their repeat keys are faster than this. Like, come on. Does it really take that long? Well, this is how many seconds it took. There, I probably timed it and showed you. But it's faster on the Commodore. I don't think this SMC update is going to speed that up. I kind of wish it did. But anyways, oh boy, here we go. Let's just do it, okay? Yeah, boy. Oh, what does it want? Okay. Yeah, thanks. Shall we continue? Yes. Hex file name. There we go. Okay. Here we go. It's doing stuff. Oh, what was that? To start the update, first press enter, and then within 20 seconds momentarily press the power and reset buttons at the same time. Oh, I don't remember that. Where's my reset button? Okay. All right. I'm going to have to put the phone down for this because I think there's my power and my reset is there. I mean, I could also press these two buttons that might be easier, but I might do the case version. We'll see. Okay. BRB. There, I just did it, and apparently it's doing stuff. Ooh, okay, I'm cooked now. There's no going back. And now, if I'm right, this will not shut down. There. Bootloader is corrupted, blah, blah, blah. This is expected. Complete the update by doing the pin. Good. So this is it. My cord is ready to shine. What this should do is shut the machine off, and then when I power it on again, it should work. But the whole bit here, the whole point of grounding this one pin, from what I've learned, it completes the update. This bad bootloader, the first 64 bytes of it are currently stored in RAM here. So if I unplug the machine, that gets wiped. So I need to reset the SMC this way. Then it updates, finishes the update through the RAM, and then powers itself off. So then once I turn it back on, we're golden. So here we go. This is it. Everything comes down to this. All right. Oh boy. Well, I mean, I've done it a few times already. This should be easier. There. And she's off. That should be it. Now, do I have a brick? Are you ready? Let's find out. No brick, no brick, no brick. Yeah, no brick. Okay. So, what VERA version or not VERA, what SMC version do I have? I did it! Oh man, yeah, okay, let's get this cord out of here. Yoink. Ah! I'm going to hang on to that because I might need that in the future, because I don't think I'm going to try to update the bootloader itself. I'm guessing the SMC is probably getting near its final state anyway, but that, even though this was scary as, very scary, it's doable. And now that I've done it, I can trust myself to do it again, unless I get the shakes. Okay, let's see how fast this cursor is. I bet you it's no different, but yeah, of course, you stupid tortoise. Who decided this should be the default? I mean, I'm used to Commodore 64, and that's the speed I want. And off the top of my head, I really don't know how to speed that up. But anyway, that's enough of me bitching. So maybe now, I mean, if I wanted to, I could update the VERA. But at the moment, I ain't worried about it. I got the SMC updated. I'm happy with that.